Welcome to my channel Chemistry class. Good morning, my dear student. My dear student, have you ever added sugar to tea and it dissolve quickly? But if you keep adding and adding, after sometimes sugar no longer dissolve and it just stay at the bottom. Well, congratulations, you just made a saturated solution. So, my dear student, today we are going to learn three important terms in chemistry, which is unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solution. So now let's get started. So, my dear student, the first one is unsaturated solution. A solution that can still dissolve more solute at a given temperature. Example, if you add 1 spoon sugar in a glass of water, it dissolves and at a dissolve. Add more, still dissolve. That is an unsaturated solution. Also note that the key points can dissolve more solute. And the second one is saturated solution. My dear student, a solution that has dissolved the maximum amount of solute at a given temperature. If you add more solute, it will not dissolve, it will stay at the bottom. Example, keep adding sugar to tea until no more sugar dissolve. It becomes saturated. Key points, cannot dissolve any more solute. And the third one is super saturated solution. What is doing? A special solution that contain more solute than it normally can dissolve at a given temperature. This is made by first heating the solvent, dissolving extra solute, and then cooling it carefully. Example, if you heat water, dissolve a lot of sugar, and then let it cool slowly, you get a super saturated solution. Key point, contain more solute than saturation limit but is unstable. My dear student, think of a classroom of student. Unsaturated class, some empty seats are available, more student can still join. Saturated class, all seats are full, no student can sit anymore. Supersaturated class, more students are sitting than the number of chair. Maybe some are standing, sitting on laps, are squeezing in. But this situation is unstable. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solution. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, share it with your friends, and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.